Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Virgi Agus Dwi Putra dari kelas manajemen ingin membuat video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Baik, bisa disimak video pembelajaran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Virgi Agus Dwi Putra from kelas manajemen pagi. Saya akan membuat video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris tentang basic English grammar. Langsung saja, mari kita mulai. Pertama, what is grammar? Grammar is a sentence structure. By use the correct structure, a sentence will be perfect. This structure is used in all languages, not just English. In grammar, there are several components or can also be referred to as various types of grammar, including 1. Part of speech, which mean the type of word in English. For example, nouns, pronouns, verb, adjective, and other. 2. Verb from reference to 3 form of the verb, namely the base form or basic verb, such as eat, drink, sleep, make. 10. The simple past, such as ate, drank, slept, met. And the last in the past participle, namely eaten, drank, slept, met. 3. To be explained the subject, for example, is, am, and are. Kedua, the capital letter. When do you use a capital letter? Pertama, use a capital letter for the first letter in a sentence. The dog is barking. Come here. Always use a capital letter for the word I am 8 years old. Tom and are good friends. Use a capital letter from the names of people: Alice, Tom, James, Kim, Shaw, dan Wade. Use a capital letter from the names of place: National Museum, Bronx Zoo, London, Sacramento. Class. Use a capital letter from festival, holiday, day of the week, month of the year: New Year's Day, Christmas, Labor Day, and Mother Day. Yang ketiga, nouns. Common nouns. Nouns are divided into common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are words for people, animal, place, or thing. They are words for people. They are common nouns. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are names for particular people, place, or the thing. They always begin with a capital letter. Singular nouns. Nouns can be singular or plural. When you are talking about one person, animal, place, or thing, use a singular noun. Use a or an before singular nouns. Use a before word beginning with vowels a, e, u, e, o. For example, say an X, an igloo, an egg, an orange. But some words do not follow this rule. For example, use a before this word, then begin with you. A uniform and a university. Use a before word beginning with the older letters of the alphabet, called consonants. For example, a basket, a rainbow, a bowler, a monster. But some words don't follow this rule. For example, you and not a before test. Word that begin with ha, and hair, and horror, and horror. Plural nouns. When you are talking about two or more people, animal, place, or thing, use plural nouns. Most nouns are made plural by adding s at the end. Example: star jadi stars, bat jadi bats, mug jadi mugs. Some plural nouns end in s. Bus jadi bus, glass jadi glass, watch jadi watch. Some plural nouns end in is. Butterfly, butterflies, canary, canaries, candy, candies. Collective noun. Collective noun are words for group of people, animal, or thing. These are known for group of people. Here are more collective nouns that are used for group of people, animal, or thing. Collective noun: a gaggle of geese, a herd of cattle, a pot of walrus, a gang of robbers, a little of cup, a pack of wolves. Masculine and feminine nouns. Masculine nouns are words for men and boys and male animal. Feminine nouns are words for women and girl and female. Many nouns are used both males and females. Accountant, parents, artists, managers, designers, pupils, engineers, singers, lawyers, and teachers. Word for things that are neither male and nor female are called nouns. Ball, forest, building, gymnasium, room, playground. Keempat, pronouns. Personal pronouns. The word I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are called personal pronouns. They take the place of nouns and are used as the subject of the verb in a sentence. Reflexive pronoun. The word myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves are called reflexive pronoun. Interrogative pronouns. The word who, whom, was, what, and which are called interrogative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. The word this, that, and those are called demonstrative pronoun. They are showing word. Kelima, adjective. An adjective is a describing word. It tells you more about a noun. An adjective usually appears before the noun is described. Someone took the adjective appears after the noun later in the sentence. A busy street, a dark corner, a deep sea, a large bed. It is windy. John handwriting is very neat. The sea is rough. Adjective ending. Some adjectives end in minye, a dirty street, a noisy room. Some adjectives end in ive, an active child, in alternative head. Some adjectives end in iye. A costly diamond ring, a elderly woman, lively kitten. Some adjectives end in a caring nurse, an interesting book, loving parents. Next, kind of adjective. There are different kinds of adjective. Some adjectives describe the qualities of noun. A beautiful rainbow and a clever monkey. Conversion of adjective. When you compare two people of thing of the comparative form of the adjective. Loss of comparative adjective and in r. Cheap, cheaper. Clear, clearer. Lalu ada adjective of origin. Contohnya Australian apples, a Balinese dancer, dan the English language. Selanjutnya adjective of quantity. Contohnya 11 hen, 15 frog, dan 19 lizard. Selanjutnya determinant. Determiners of the word such this, those, my, their, which. They are special adjective that are used before noun. Lalu the articles. The word a and belong to this group of word called determiner. Demonstrative determiners. The word this, that, this, and those are determiners. They are used to tell which thing or person you mean. These words are called demonstrative determiners or demonstrative adjective. Contohnya, this ice cream is delicious dan how much is the racket. Selanjutnya ada interrogative determinants. Use the word that, which, and was before nouns to ask about people or thing. These words are called interrogative determinant or interrogative adjective. Contohnya, what time is it, dan what color is her hair. Lalu possessive determiners. The words my, your, his, her, its, or there are called possessive determinants or possessive adjective. Use this word before noun to say was something belong to. Contohnya, is this your house? Dan Robert, your handwriting is difficulty to write. Materi ketujuh, verb and tense. Most verbs are action word. They tell you that people, animal, or thing are doing. Contohnya word file, arjum. Lalu the simple present tense. The simple present tense expresses a general truth or a customary action. Contohnya Mary enjoy singing, Peter sometimes lend his bike, dan cow eat grass. Lalu the present progressive tense. When do you use the present progressive tense? To talk about action in the present or thing that are still going on or happening now. Contohnya I'm playing chess with my friend dan she is riding a horse. Terima kasih. Thank you. Mungkin sekian video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris yang dapat saya sampaikan, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Itu saja video pembelajaran yang saya dapat sampaikan. Bye bye.